Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. Alright, so many of you had followed me for a while. You know what this means. You wish for songs, and I bring them up here on Wednesdays. This time we have you, Neon. You wished for Unknown Caller, Borderline. So I never heard about this song before, and sometimes we bring up these smaller bands or artists or whatever. We can wish for whatever, and they get a chance to get some noise here on Gordon Guitar. So Unknown Caller, Borderline, this is especially for you, Neon, and for all you other fans. So yeah, I just want to highlight this Wish Wednesdays. Feel free to leave a comment. Perhaps it's your song next time. So let's dive into this one. We don't need any capo for this, so we're going clean and we'll take a look at the chords needed for the song. So we'll start with the G major 7. All right, so that is 3rd on E, and then with that finger, usually I use my middle finger, I mute the next string. I just lean on top of the A, so that gets muted like this. And then we'll continue with open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. There you have your G major 7. Next chord is a bar chord. That's the F sharp minor 7. You place a bar on the 2nd fret over all strings like this, and then you just add 4th on A. We'll continue with the bar chords here. Next is the B minor. Bar placed on the same spot there. You don't need to bar the last E string here in the bass. It's enough with just the 5 strings below. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have the A minor 7 next, and we will add one extra note to that chord that is usually just like this, but we'll add one extra note there on the E string. So that gives us open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and now the added 3rd E. All right, and then we have just one more chord left, and that is the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So there we have the chord, guys. G major 7, F sharp, B minor, A minor 7, and D. So we have pretty much 2 different chord progressions here that will alternate each other, and goes like that from the beginning till the very end. So we'll take a look at the first round, so to speak. And it starts in the same way as this is about 4 chords coming after each other, and then it starts all over on the second round with a different chord progression. So the first 4 chords will be G major, the F sharp, the B minor, and A minor. So we have this played in a specific way. The G major first. It will be a strumming pattern that you're gonna play for 2 rounds, and the round goes like this. Okay? So that is down, down, up, clap, down. That is 1 round. Down, down, up, clap, down. And for 2 rounds, it goes like this. Okay? And then you shift to the next chord, which is the the F sharp minor 7. And you play almost the same here. You're gonna play down, down, up, clap. You stop at the clap there. So no down after the clap. Just down, down, up, clap. And the down comes in the next chord. So you shift now to the B minor and play just the down. Then a short pause, and then you shift to the final chord, the A minor 7, and play another down. With the added notes, of course. Like that. So that is the first round. So just to go over it again, we had the down, down, up, clap, down for 2 times on the G major. Then you shift to the F sharp minor and play the down, down, up, clap, and then immediately you go to the B minor and play 1 down on that one, and then pause and then go 1 down on the A minor 7. So slowly it goes like this. right? There you have the first half. Then the second chord progression round, which I mentioned, it starts in the same way. So the G major 7, same playing there, 2 rounds of the down, down, up, clap, down. And then you go to the F sharp minor and play the same there, down, down, up, clap. Now we have the 2 final chords that differs a little bit from the first round, and they're played in the same way. But we'll start with the A minor 7 now. That comes right after the F sharp 7. And then you play a pause, and then you shift to D and play 1 down on the D. And that ends the second round. So the second round was like this slowly. G major 7, 2 rounds of the strumming, F sharp, the same strumming as in the first round, down, down, up, clap. And then you go to the A minor 7, 1 down and D 1 down, like this. And there you finish the second round and you start all over again. That is pretty much the song here. I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds of it. First one full round, that means both chord progression rounds slowly, and then one in standard tempo. It goes like this. And in standard tempo, a bit faster. Alright guys, so Unknown Caller, Borderline. Hope you are satisfied with this neon you wished for this song. So keep on wishing here, and yeah, I give as much as I can and have time to it. So feel free to support me here, subscribe, and all that good stuff, guys. So thank you for support. Until next time, play tuned.